Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with basics that matter. Confirm the router or ONT has a steady power LED and is on a working outlet. Next, power cycle the device. Turn off, wait 30 seconds, then turn on because many faults clear immediately. While it reboots, trace and reseat every cable, Ethernet, coax, and phone lines, replace any frayed leads. Finally, verify there's no known Airtel outage by sending a quick SMS or calling 121 so you don't chase local issues unnecessarily. Once done with cabling, connect your laptop by Ethernet and log into the router web UI. Use the address on the device or 192, 168, 1. Check the WAN/internet status and confirm the router has a valid public or private IP. Inspect pppoe username/password if used. Run a wired speedtest to rule out Wi-Fi interference, check DHCP leases for IP conflicts, and look for firmware updates. Apply them during a low-traffic window. You finish by trying a factory reset only after noting current settings and backing up configs, because resets erase pppoe and static routes. If problems persist, gather account number, MAC/serial, test times, and speedtest results, then contact Airtel support. Share these details and request a ticket ID. If they can't fix remotely, ask for an ONT or router swap and a field technician. Quick troubleshooting tip: record LED patterns and error messages. That precise detail speeds up resolution when you escalate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.